how to remove a customer from QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove a customer from QuickBooks, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to make your customer inactive, okay? And then how can you do that? Log in into your account, all right? So after logging into your account, the next step is to go to the sales option, as you can see here. So once you're on the sales option, just go ahead and click on customers, all right? And then you wait for the customer page to load. So you can see this is the sales option here, and then you can see three tabs, namely all sales, customers, products and services. Now currently I do not have any customer on QuickBooks, that's why this page is empty, but for you would say you have a customer here. So just select the customer profile you want to remove, then click the drop down menu icon next to edit, all right, on the customer's profile, and then amongst the options displayed, ensure you choose make active and then confirm by selecting yes. And do that. Once you've made a customer inactive, he or she will be removed from your list and menus, and all transactions linked with that customer will still appear on reports even if they are inactive. So now, after making them inactive, the next step to removing them, okay, is to move to the left side of the screen again, where you can see other options. Under this option, locate the customers and lead option. After locating it, there are two options displayed after that, namely customers marketing. You should just go ahead and select customers. After selecting customers, all of your customer will be displayed here. Once you've seen all of your customer, just go ahead and find the customer you want to delete. After finding the customer, right click on the customer, and then a list of options will be displayed. Among these options, choose delete customer. Okay. Confirm by clicking OK, and then just like that, the customer will be deleted. Just listen to what I've said, and then it's easy. Just select customers, select the customer's profile, left click amongst the options, click on delete, and just like that, you are good to go. Thank you, and have a good day.